top stories. Government won't spare any militant group if it violates agreement under suspension of operations, says Chief Minister N Biren. Survey to be conducted in and around Langol Hill to stop encroachment. And Health Minister lays foundation stone for Homeopathy Pharmacy Drug Testing Lab at Keirao. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur. Now the news in detail. State celebrated Vijay Diwas at Manipur Rifles Banquet Hall today. Chief Minister N Biren said the government won't spare militant groups under suspension of operations if they start violating law.
Chief Minister N Biren has said that the government will not spare any militant group which violates the law under suspension of operations. He said evidence proved that some of the members of the militant groups which are under suspension of operations have been breaking a law by extorting money from the people. The Chief Minister was attending Vijay Diwas celebration at the banquet hall of Manipur Rifles today. He further said government has received information that some militant groups based in the hills have not been following the agreement laid down under the suspension of operations. Some of them have been coming out of their designated camps to loot trucks and other commuters on the national highways. On the other hand, some members have even been abducting innocent peoples for ransom. As such, fitting action will be taken against those indulging in such unlawful activities.
Under the shoe, they are doing what they want. They are roaming freely with arms. They are threatening peoples, guiding peoples to vote to the party, the man whom they want. So, we losing democratically value day by day in some of the part of the state. Ne na tawrakanda. Hill ki people sing made freely moi mind na moi conscience na work to bangam there. Value the sudungai some areas, some peoples, but very. Comparing with the hills, Barry is far, far better, politically, democratically doings. Hill area, in the name of Su, democratically, rights, may I say, we're losing it, day by day. Aduna, security of the nations means security of the peoples.
Speaking on the occasion of Vijay Diwas, the Chief Minister said, December 16, 1971 is an unforgettable day in the history of the nation. It was the day when India defeated Pakistan and freed the then East Pakistan, which is now Bangladesh. One should never forget the sacrifices made by the brave soldiers of the nation.
East Pakistan, Pakistan the Somali East Pakistan, Taurakanda, India, surround Tonanabugi. India politically, India weakened Tonanabugi to Lalong do, Matamdugi, India government Kanga Akanda. Tangai for the Bangladesh, she liberate to the way a day, and something give up. India gi, am Haishingba in an army, Air Force, Navy. Armed forces, paramilitary forces,
On the other hand, Minister V. Hankalyan said, Vijay Diwas is a memorable day which leaves all the countrymen filled with pride. It was the day when India defeated the Pakistan army comprising 93,000 and handed over free Bangladesh to the people of the then East Pakistan.
Vijay Diwas Victory Day Thoramasida Panzaning Badi India gi Lanmi Singna Hodong Chadaba Kaya Mayong Naduna Mama Lebak India Gidamak Kathok Pangamba Mathona Maringzel Adubuni Thoidok Hendona Singthaningai Oribasi Mahoy Gimapal Naidraba Mathona Maringze Naduna 1971 gi Indo-Pak ki lana duda mai pak paga loina na matamadugi East Pakistan bu maning tamanduna Bangladesh semkhibani lana duda utkhiba makhoi gi heisingba hanba leitraba thona kathokpa aduna maramoiduna zati asigi izat purakhi.
Many top-ranking officials of police and civil department also attended the function.
A survey will be conducted to check illegal construction of houses in and around Langol Hill. Construction of Imphal View Tower is on at Keirao for Imphal Valley View. The government is checking of further illegal construction of houses in the area. Forest Department has demolished many illegal houses in the past as well. Chief Minister N Biren also informed that a survey will be conducted to stop further construction of such illegal houses.
I should ying at the Sigi Sway Lamgam village. Today, I know the Imphal View Namashamdor. Langol Amaton, the Tawara Masarkanda, Mayamsi Kazer, Ganupi, and Mapane Lapamayamsi Kazer, Nundang or so. Imphal Village Unabugi, Imphal View, and Karutram Namusang, the same with the almost lower, same as our Hodurbaneva. Adagi Yan Nungaitrise, I see eviction to Rubukanda. Eviction to Rubukanda, Kanglup Tolopogumba. Like in here, Tolopogumba. Undue advantage over Praja. A Mui Karahitariko. Sikara Labus, Nako, the Yam handicap Welle. I'm not so appeal to Ningi, Hybrid, Siki Langol, Singer City. Imphal Mischil Sigi, I'm the Sikak Tuna quick short 100 more in never. Kanglagi Mate Critical or Ukra holds at the late river. On the Sigi areas about the forest and Zufaniam Hone to guide the nut, they can Tongana, Longhangama, the Gi, Kortukishu, Hector Carino, Stini, Carini, and Hetalax and Bugumba. Sugumba is not quite the handicap. The corner stipulation come out with the Hanagi, Mamangle, the document had to put away, Patani, Kandi, Patadona, Sing Brasabra, Matametasang Hajari, could verify over the. I'm not Aduma, I am no comments the Kitan handicapped boy. Adubu, Siki Hide, Makatana, in Cross of the number, Cotton number to the way, Subsana Gomen, Gihitare. I disagreed on Hondore, Yum Kayala, Yum to the Gimasing Hang, prayer, and over Hata, Asabia or Habagumbagi, Sarviamata, the pigs tamanity.
Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Ayush L. Jayantakumar today laid the foundation stone for Homeopathy Pharmacy and Drug Testing Lab at Keirao in Imphal East.
Health and Family Welfare and Ayush Minister L. Jayantakumar laid foundation stone for the construction of Homeopathy, Pharmacy and Drug Testing Laboratory at Keirao, Imphal East today. Directorate of Ayush and State Ayush Society jointly organized the foundation stone laying ceremony. MLA of Keirao Assembly Constituency L. Rameshwar, Director of Ayush Dr. A. Guneshwar Sharma, Director of Sericulture K.K. Singh were the main guests at the foundation stone laying ceremony. Speaking on the occasion, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar said the Department of Ayush is playing a major role in the health sector these days. There are various medicinal plants used for treatment. Addressing the gathering, the minister said the homeopathy, pharmacy and laboratory will be able to produce medicines from various medicinal plants.
Herbal medicine, herbal medicine. Okay, another you must buy from the herbal medicine. Cut a julita, bleeding to Buganda, come I crying at the day. Look to Buganda, Kaizar, come on, take a forget. And they give you look of Tabama to Hitaba, Kai Sinan say, Kumanga give you power push with Chinga or Tandoro, Manipuloro, Manipuloro, that of any country. And the Machina, Magi, Kunai, the channel of my Magi, Mamma, the Lumba, and Sinatana,
Speaking on the occasion, MLA of Keirao Assembly Constituency, L. Rameshwar said, Keirao Assembly Constituency is lagging behind in various sections, especially in health sector. He further added that he is quite delighted that the state government decided to construct a homeopathic college and Ayush pharmacy and a drug testing laboratory at Keirao Assembly Constituency. He encouraged the public to plant medicinal plants for maximum utilization of the pharmacy and laboratory.
Hamang Kabusu Mayamsida Sumbayaba. And the Kanadi Hagana position upon the Kanga my doors take Yama. At Hosiki, I by Hidam the Sumba, Dr. Sumnavagi, Factory Still a pay for Jazing some high of what half it down. I didn't buy with you any Pogil.
The 24-hour total shutdown called by Maoist Communist Party and KCP People's War Group on separate demands has affected normal life in the state. Burn supporters burnt down one scooter at Whitehall. Here's a report.
The 24-hour total shutdown called by Maoist Communist Party and KCP People's War Group on separate demands has affected normal life in the state. Attendance was low in all government departments and private institutions. Schools and colleges remain closed, passenger vehicles remain off the road, Quaramban Market wore a deserted look, while various business establishments, including shops and markets, remain closed. Even as one scooter was burnt down by Bund supporters, no unwanted incident have been reported as the government had taken up high security measures in the state.
Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur handed over a wheelchair and edible items to Tensubam Tombisana Devi of Kamching, Imphal East District. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP National President Amit Shah are visiting Manipur to plan campaigns for the upcoming Lok Sabha election early month. According to a news report from the leaders of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Prime Minister Modi may come down to Imphal on January 5th and Amit Shah on January 28th. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.
Watch Live in Style, a gateway to the elegance of Manipur. Live in Style, every Saturday night 7:30, only on Tom TV.
Welcome back. Despite repeated pleas of the All Manipur Elementary School Teachers Association, Jiribam branch, salary has not been credited to the teachers. As such, the association has warned of closing down the office of Zio Jiribam if the government fails to fulfill the demands by December 20th. A police constable of Porompat Police has been placed under suspension from duty on charges of taking money from a truck driver forcibly. The police constable has been identified as Wangkai Mayum Priyokumar. He has been restricted from leaving the reserved line without permission from the Superintendent of Police. Assam Rifles apprehended a cadre of NSCN-IM during a search operation in Non district in eastern Nagaland. The apprehended NSCN-IM cadre has been identified as Yokpri Konyak, a resident of Pomching village in Nagaland. Some official documents of the NSCN-IM have also been seized from Yongpri. Police have released the members of Manipur Students Association Delhi and Delhi Manipuri Muslim Students Association who were arrested in Delhi for protesting against the arrest of Wangkhem Kishore Chand by Manipur police. Nevertheless, Masad has declared that they will continue the protest.
Practice the democracy I pose sena like have say kona khangeba nan yum da so kangla da protest over the so thugai bire samana ko da Delhi is India gi democracy ki khoi de center ne hari mafam jira thugai re kadai de no bono ne democracy hari mafam si democracy sungai laite laitra gani lainangai sengwani struggle makhan makhan ki togani democracy ki struggle oragara undemocratic ogera radical ogera oi bono ogera struggle togani sire bai khona ni se sida mayam mipung khudimang na thopira ka support of biona hai je ninge
Delhi ki history da Manipur Student Union ki association ki amasung atopama ki volunteer leiba mayam police station mayam namduna toraga phaba je Manipur ki khoi history da han bani police station mari dani khoi mache phara thamni si sigi Delhi police ki akan ma thong je khoi yam kan condemn tawi si se central government ki lakpra karam kana dagi toraga torapon khoi khangde adubu sigumba police station mari manga coordinate toraga khoi phasla thamba hai basi khoi yam kan lawi aduga akoina hojik makha tarakpada akoi ki khongjang lo singiroi aduga nasagi amjuna Manipur ki amjuna lumina leiba si koi yam kan lawi hospauda emta koi ki wanga mo game like 3 si matangda si jo koi na kanem to aduga makha tarak boina koi
si sumaina peaceful democratic protest ma koina tawena yamna tawhu tawdringai da sumaina even metro dagi phana yauri lambi dagi phana yauri yamtina akoi so called democratic nation ena haiba akoi sum democratic ki oiba rights ama akoi exercise tawena tawuma tamsida sumaina violate tawba haiba sidi yamtina disgusting yamna disgraceful oiba pone masi singna hairang ganda akoina akoi ki due rights sidi akoina hungry for masidi makhata na akoina hen effective oiba mongda masi tawre hairanga akoina handabida letabida akoina committee roina sajen kini haiba si akoigi simaya punba sagi sumaina lebnai
In connection with road widening, at least 30 illegal houses constructed along the NH 102 Imphal Moray were demolished today. The demolition began in the morning along with the police. Let's have a short break. We'll be back.
Ashok Leyland भारत की ख्वाइदगी ममिंग लेरबा अशोक लेलैंड हेवी कमर्शियल व्हीकल की ऑथराइज्ड डीलर मणिपुर की ओइना लमजिंगबा ग्रुप की यूनिट अमा ओइरिबा लमजिंगबा मोटर्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड ना ओइरे सर्विसिंग सेंटर स्पेयर पार्ट्स अमसुंग शोरूम असी लाकलिबा तांग 13 असिदा थौबाल कियाम सिफाई बाबू बाजार थौबालदा इनॉग्रेशन सेरेमनी अमगा लोइनना हांगदोकचरगनी लॉन्च तौद्रिंगै की मांगोइनना बुकिंग तौबिदुना सही अमगे इंश्योरेंस एक्सटेंडेड वारंटी खुदोल अमदि डिस्काउंट कयागी ओइबा इनॉग्रल ऑफर की खुदोंग चाबसु लौबियु कॉन्टैक्ट 8257888690 बुकिंग की दमकता कॉन्टैक्ट तौबियु मेन हेड ऑफिस नागामपाल रिम्स रोड नियर नित्यानंद मंदिर.
Welcome back. Congress leaders Ashok Gehlot and Sachin Pilot were sworn in as Rajasthan's Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister respectively today. Congress President Rahul Gandhi and former Prime Ministers Manmohan Singh and H.D. Deve Gaudwa attended the ceremony organized at Albert Hall in Jaipur. Outgoing Rajasthan Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje, NCP's Sharad Pawar, LJD leader Sharad Yadav, former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Farooq Abdullah, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister and Chandrababu Naidu, RJD leader Tejaswi Jadhav were among others who were present at the ceremony. After Delhi High Court's hearing on 1984 anti-Sikh riots case convicting Congress leader Sajan Kumar for conspiracy to commit murder in the 1984 anti-Sikh riots and sentencing him to imprisonment for life, Union Minister Arun Jaitley pointed at MP CM designate Kamal Nath and said that the Sikh community strongly believes that he was involved in the violence. He further slammed the Gandhi family for making sure that the riot victims don't get justice. Cyclone Fathai made landfall in East Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh this afternoon, a little after 12:30 p.m. There was very heavy rainfall, keeping people mostly indoors. Schools and colleges were closed as a precautionary measure in the coastal districts today. One person was killed in landslide in Vijayawada. A number of Visakhapatnam bound trains have been cancelled due to cyclone Pithai. Janmabhoomi, Ratnachal and Simadri express trains have been cancelled in both directions for the day. Now let's have a look at some of the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, 2 years on, and jury is still far from real district status. Chief Minister visits former Mr. India. Grievances galore within Water Resources Department. Baghel named Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh. The People's Chronicle, Biswajit writes, Congress's epitaph predicts NDA third. MLA bets for effective child laws policies. Chief Minister assures help to ailing Mr. India Maipak. JEC opposes December 20 National Highway 102 Band call. 88.2% teenage girl currently studying the teenage girls. Imphal Free Press, 35 Manipuri students detained by Delhi police for protesting Kishore Chandra's NSA detention. Travel languages education dying due to lack of state's patronage, says the Council of Travel Languages and Literature Societies Manipur. Child abuse and neglect is a pervasive global issue. Memorial figure will be constructed in honor of Mr. India Maipak, Chief Minister. The Morning Bell, underage married girls in state very less report. The All Manipur Entrepreneurs Association propose removal of restricted area permit to boost economy. Rahul Gandhi proposed as Prime Minister candidate. Chief Minister visits former Mr. India Maipak. Manipur Mail. Chief Minister visits former Mr. India. Waghel announced as Chhattisgarh Chief Minister. Travel language education on decline.
Now, before we wrap up, the top stories once again. Government won't spare any militant group if it violates agreement under suspension of operations, says Chief Minister N Biren. Survey to be conducted in and around the Langol Hill to stop encroachment. And Health Minister lays foundation stone for Homeopathy Pharmacy drug testing lab at Keirao. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.